Are you looking for the best Adirondack chair cushions? We've got these right here. Figured I'd show them off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. And by the way, if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that over for me right there. So I gotta say, I appreciate the piece of cardboard that they put on the top right there, because I was using a knife and you want to make sure that you don't cut through your little bag right here. So that's awesome that they put that into there. They do give you a little installation step guide here, and it's basically showing you how it's going to come all bagged up like this. Let's see, this is, oh, there's a little perforation or something on here, looks like. Yeah, you just pull right down the middle to get through the string, and then you have your cases right here. Let's see, let's go ahead and roll this on out. They give you a nice big portion right here so that you can get knife or scissors through or something like that. We're going to grab that Mike Vance knife again so we can get this bad boy on open. Once you get it punctured, you can just simply grab and pull. And then now everything will kind of start to get some air in there. And you'll be able to get to your cushion. As you can see, it's a nice, good sized cushion as well. We have kind of a light colored one right here. Looks very, very nice. I'm assuming that this is the what's going to be inside right there, like some fluff. It's got a good thickness to it as well, which is awesome. You do have a little zipper on the side right here. Not too sure what that would be used for, but I do want to point it out. It only goes down to right there, so it's just like a little pocket, if you will. You have a strap on the back right here. It's got some elasticity to it as well, which is awesome. So you can easily get it up and around your chair. Okay. Oh, I think the zippers on the side right here are two, because there's another one on this side, and I just realized that it's all like the broken up memory foam and cotton on the inside right there. Look, y'all can see that. And they do that so that if you want to not have it as fluffy, or if you want to add more fluff to it, you have basically like a little access port right there to be able to do it. There's also one on this side as well right here. Again, you can see the internals, and then you just simply zip that on up right there. So that's super cool. This is what your bottom looks like right here. It's got some nice like grippy beads all the way across the bottom. So as you're sitting in the chair, it's not going to slide down on you. And then they also have some ties on the side right here. So if you wanted to tie it to the handle, you can do that. And that way it's just another point of contact where it can't like move around and whatnot. As I showed y'all, the back of the chair, it's just got the elastic right there. The stitching all the way up and down this thing looks very, very nice, clean, kempt. I don't see like any little weird hairs sticking out or anything like that. And you got all the little buttons right here in the padding as well. Now, they do make this in a few different colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But if y'all are looking for some fantastic cushions right here, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these. These look awesome. Let me go through this real quick with you guys. It says, it is important to first make sure that your cushions fit your furniture before opening the plastic packaging of the compressed Adirondack chair cushion. So they give you the dimensions right here. 44 depth, 19 wide, and 4 height in inches. First, measure the dimensions of your furniture. Select the Adirondack chair cushion that most likely fits your measurements, and you will get a cushion that exactly matches your chair. So I'm going to assume that down in the product thing below, some of the options that you can choose from on there are going to be the size of the cushion so that you can make sure you get the right one for your chair as well. So definitely go and check that out if that's something that you want. It says the fabric of the mat may produce some wrinkles under long-term vacuum conditions. Please wait 7 to 15 days for it to return to its original shape after releasing it from the vacuum sealed package. Please wait 48 hours for it to be completely fluffy. I gotta say, like, this thing fluffed up nicely. Like all these pockets right here are nice and plump. It's going to be nice and cushiony for you. And I mean, there are some wrinkles in there, like you can really see it kind of at the top right here, but it's really not that bad. So I'm impressed by just what we got right out of the package right here. And then they go through the installation steps right here. You open the box, spread it out, squeeze the mat inward from both sides several times. That's kind of what I was doing here, like this, to give it a little bit of a fluff type of thing. And then allow 24 to 48 hours for it to fully expand. Tip: machine wash and dry or use low temperature ironing to help restore the cushion's fluffiness and eliminate wrinkles. Little pro tip for you guys there. And then you can attach it to the furniture with the straps right there. So, like I said, if y'all are looking for some excellent cushions for your outdoor furniture, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. I'm impressed by what I'm seeing here. And it looks like it's going to be very easy to set up once everything gets all nice and fluffed out. Because you just simply drape it, put it into the chair. You're just going to simply grab this elastic to be able to put it around the back, and that's going to help to hold this back piece up against the back. And then, like I said, you have your two ties right here to be able to tie it around the chair. Let me go ahead and get some measurements on these ties for you guys, because I don't know how thick your chair handles are and all that. But these are 16-inch ties, and that goes both ways. So you have 32 on, or 16 on one side and 16 on the other. That's 32 inches to be able to work with. So they give you plenty enough fabric right here, one, to get a good tie on there, but then if you wanted to make it look pretty with like a bow and all that type of stuff, you can do that as well, because they give you so much extra. And you got the same on this side as well. So that's awesome. Yeah. Just to show you guys the back one more time, got all the grippy beads right there. You know what? The grippy beads, let's take a look at that as well, because you want to make sure that it's going to actually sit onto the seat of your chair so that it doesn't move around. And so with this one, you're getting I'm reading 9.5 inches of grippy beads one way and 14 inches the other way. So that's going to take up a lot of surface area onto the chair so that it doesn't move, which is awesome. So like I said, y'all definitely should go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you want. And they do make them in a whole bunch of other colors so that it can match everything else that you might have outside on your patio. So definitely go and check out that product listing below so that you guys can go through all the different color options that they have available and different size options as well. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And Dad out.